I just want time in a tree. I need a place just for me, somewhere that I can be free. Keep the faith and just be.
Good morning, guys. What's up? It's me, Beata. Long time no see, I know. Right now, currently, I'm on the way to go to the airport because I'm going to another trip with VSPINK. We're going to Ohio, which is where the Pink headquarters are, as well as New York City, which I'm so excited because I'll get to meet so many amazing schools that I've been following on Instagram. I'm so excited to meet everyone and see Emily, which is our campus rep coordinator. I'm on the way to the airport. My mom's driving me. I have no idea what to expect, but I know it's gonna be a good time because Pink never disappoints. I am so excited and I'm beyond thankful to be going on this trip, and I can't wait to show you guys all of it, so let's go. Madison, and look what we found on our beds. Oh my god! Hey guys! Menu. Everyone say hi. Julia, my vlogster. Guys, Ariel from British Columbia in Canada gave us souvenirs, and she is the sweetest person in the world. Guys, follow her on Instagram. I'm gonna put her link down below. She is so nice. So we just got back from dinner with Pink and all of the girls, and it was so awesome. We went to Maricella's, which is an Italian restaurant. It was so good. Oh, we also went to the candle lab. If you guys saw, we got to make our own scented candles, which smells so good. Let me show you guys. So this is my candle, Cozy With You. Right now we're gonna go probably explore the city because it's such nice weather outside. And yeah, we're gonna go with our Tennessee reps, and we'll see who else wants to come join. And then tomorrow we're meeting with the Pink CEO, which is so exciting. Good morning, guys. Stay tuned. Currently we're on the bus. We're gonna go to Pink offices. Beautiful. And we just had the best breakfast ever. We got Starbucks gift cards, and then we're gonna go meet with the CEO, which is so excited. Oh my god, this is so good.
Are going on a run.
At a bunch of meetings and a bunch of focus groups, learning about the products, future products, and the future sales. And we just had a delicious lunch, and we're about to actually go and talk to the Pink CEO, Amy Hawk, which we're really excited because we get to talk to her and ask her questions and talk about her career and how she succeeded in.
There's the tea.
As you can see.
Did you draw like a scary girl?
No, this is like the bike shorts. I was trying to like see how it looks with an oversized.
Okay, so she's about to crop this out of the video.
We did a campus rep speed dating cafe, which means we got to talk to corporate workers and we got to hear their story and their advice on everything. And then we just had lunch, and then we're about to meet the CEO at the Pink workroom. Then we're gonna tour the office. Then we're leaving to go to New York. And I think we're flying on a private jet, but that's still like a surprise. So currently right now I'm on a private jet and we're going to New York City. So the thing that we got on our seat when we first walked in is this super cool like pink blanket slash, what is it? Pillow. Blanket slash pillow. And we're in New York City. So we walked into our room to this amazing surprise from Pink Beauty. They gave us a little loofah, some lotion, some washes, the new seamless bra, some amazing perfume, cute little socks, and the cutest pajama set. And what else we're having? Dun dun dun! Yummy pizza. The private jet was unreal, but we're super tired, so we're gonna go eat and go to sleep. And then tomorrow we have a long day ahead of us, so make sure you guys stay tuned and we'll see what we do tomorrow. So right now it's day 3 and we're on our way to breakfast, and then we're gonna go to Instagram and Facebook headquarters for a little tour. Oh, I smell food already. Gosh, this is so white and aesthetically pleasing. Me like, good morning. Good morning, guys. So this is sadly our last day here in New York City with Pink. We're about to go run to breakfast. Yesterday was so much fun. We visited Instagram's headquarters, and today, let's just bring you along. Oh, this is so cute. Everybody looks so cute. Which is this one over here, and we're all taking pictures. And let me tell you guys, what I love about co-reps is that we know how to take Instagram pictures, yes, and we don't complain like other friends. True. No, we take as many as possible, and we get all the angles, and we hype ourselves up. Exactly. Look how beautiful the flat iron is, but look how beautiful all the reps are. Oh my God, look how beautiful you are. Oh my God, stop! Everyone's hyping ourselves up.
Your own personal hype squad, am I right?
Yes, woo, yes, get it, girl. Oh, yes. I was telling the vlog that it's not crazy, it's amazing how everyone's so like hyping each other up, and we're so extra, amazing. But it's amazing because I feel like nobody else is like that, you know, like none of our other friends, so like getting to know people who are like that is like the best.
Who are as extra as us, and like when we take selfies, everyone gathers around and it's like, yes!
No need to worry about your pre-recorded music tapes being accidentally erased. It can't happen.
Thank you so much for all of your hard work this year. What you're going to do, because I know your future is very, very bright. So thank you guys.
Let's
get scratching.
And our trip sadly comes to an end. Sorry.